Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build a professional website from scratch without writing a single line of code, all using the power of Webflow's AI tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to launch your own website with just a few clicks, but you'll also see how easy it is to customize every detail to match your unique vision. If you've ever thought building a website was too complicated or just for tech pros, you're about to see just how accessible it can be. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to start by creating a new site in Webflow. As soon as you log in, look for the big call to action. It usually says something like new site or create a new site. Click on that and you're on your way. Think of this as opening a blank canvas. This is where your website will start to take shape. Next, Webflow will prompt you to choose a template. This step is really important because templates can give your website a strong, polished foundation, and they save you a ton of design time. But here's the cool part. You want to make sure you're picking one that's compatible with the AI assistant. Webflow's AI-compatible templates are specially designed to work hand-in-hand with their smart design tools. If you're not sure which templates are AI-ready, don't worry. Webflow makes them pretty easy to spot with labels or little AI tags next to compatible choices. Once you select that AI-compatible option, Webflow's AI will spring into action and curate a list of 8 different site designs tailored to your needs. This is where things get impressive. Rather than browsing hundreds of templates and getting overwhelmed, the AI narrows it down for you. It even considers what's trending and what works well for the kind of site you want. For example, if you're building a portfolio, the AI might show you modern, image-focused options, while a business website might pull up sleek, professional themes. This selection process saves you so much time and energy. From those 8 smartly selected options, take your time to look through each one. Hover over them, click around to get a feel for the layout and style. Think about the vibe you want your website to give off. Do you want something minimalist and clean, or bold and colorful? When you found one that stands out, go ahead and select it. And remember, don't stress too much about picking the perfect template. The next steps will let you customize everything to your heart's content. After you've made your choice, you'll land on the design page. This is your new playground, here where the magic happens. Webflow gives you a super intuitive editor that lets you tweak, move, and style every element on your site. Want to change the colors to match your brand? Easy. Need to swap out photos or change some text? Just click and edit. If you're unsure about trying something new, don't worry. You can always undo changes or preview your site before making it live. Let your creativity guide you and have fun testing different layouts, fonts, and images. It really is like playing with digital building blocks, no coding required. Take your time here and experiment. If something looks off, remember, every great site is built through a bit of trial and error. The key is to keep refining, use Webflow's tools to preview your work, and don't be afraid to try out bold ideas. Sometimes that's where the best designs come from. And that's it, you've just built a professional website without any coding, all thanks to the power of Webflow's AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have questions or want to share what you're building, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Make sure to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.